Think for a moment. How crucial is software training in today's fast-paced, tech-driven industry? The answer is exceedingly so. With the right training, you can elevate your skills, boost your career, and navigate this digital world with ease and confidence. Welcome to our Software Training Institute, a hub of knowledge, innovation, and excellence. We offer a wide array of software courses, each one designed to cater to the diverse needs of modern industry. Firstly, we have AutoCAD for Mechanical. This course dives deep into the world of computer-aided design and drafting. It's a key tool for all mechanical engineers, allowing them to design and simulate their work with precision and efficiency. Then, there's CATIA, a multi-platform software suite for computer-aided design, manufacturing, and engineering. This course offers a comprehensive understanding of product lifecycle management and is invaluable for anyone looking to excel in the product design industry. Next up is Creo Parametric, a 3D modeling software that allows users to create complex geometric shapes and designs. This course will empower you with the ability to visualize, analyze, and validate all product forms, sizes, and configurations. We also offer training in CAD, a flexible and powerful integrated solution for product design. With this course, you can master the art of conceptualizing, designing, and rendering complex parts and assemblies. Our CAM course is for those interested in computer-aided manufacturing. This will equip you with the knowledge to generate, optimize, and automate CNC machine tool paths, making production processes more efficient and cost-effective. HyperMesh, a high-performance finite element preprocessor, is another course we provide. This will help you create and edit even the most complex models, ensuring the highest level of accuracy in your simulations. SolidWorks, a solid modeling computer-aided design and engineering software, is also part of our curriculum. This course will help you design, visualize, and simulate ideas more intuitively and faster than ever before. And lastly, we offer ANSYS, a simulation software that enables engineers to simulate and predict how product designs will behave in real-world environments. This course will give you the skills to test performance, move innovative products faster, and with greater confidence. Each of our courses is led by experienced trainers who are experts in their field. They are here to guide you, inspire you, and equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to excel. And the best part? All these courses are offered at incredibly affordable fees. So, why wait? The world of software training is at your fingertips. Embrace the opportunity. Empower yourself with the skills to navigate the digital world with confidence. Sign up for our courses today and take the first step towards a brighter, more successful future. Remember, the only limit to your potential is your willingness to learn and grow. So make the choice to grow today.